Good morning, students. Shantiniketan Junior College, Tripuraram. Inter first year, Maths A. Subject topic trigonometric ratios up to transformations. In the previous class, we will discuss about some problems depend on compound angle formulas. Okay. Today's problem. First one. If a plus b plus c is equal pi by 2, then prove that first one, cot a plus cot b plus cot c is equal to cot A into cot B into cot C. Second one, tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A is equal to 1. And third one, sigma or summation cos of b plus c by cos b into cos c is equal to 2. Very important problem. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, then prove that first one, cot a plus cot b plus cot c is equal cot a cot b cot c. Second one, tan a into tan b plus tan b into tan c plus tan c into tan a is equal 1. And third one, sigma cos of b plus c by cos b cos c is equal 2. Okay. Solution for the first one. For the given condition, given that a plus b plus c is equal pi by 2. On the right side, c can move from right, left side c can move from right, that is pi by 2 minus c. Applying on both sides, cot of a plus b is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus c. Cot of a plus b formula, cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a is equal cot 90 minus c tan c. Cot a cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a is equal to tan c can be written as 1 by cot c. Now we can write cross multiplying cot a cot b minus 1 into cot c is equal to cot b plus cot a. Cot a cot b into cot c minus cot c is equal cot a plus cot b. So left side minus cot c can move from right. We get cot a cot b cot c is equal to cot a plus cot b plus cot c. First one. Okay, sir. Everyone note this one. Okay, first one completed. What is the second one? We can show that tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A is equal to 1. Okay, so the solution for the second one. So given condition is given that A plus B plus C is equal pi by 2. On the left side, C can move from right. A plus B is equal pi by 2 minus C. So second one, tan. So for this condition, applying on both sides, tan of A plus B is equal to tan of pi by 2 minus C. So left side term is in the form of tan of A plus B. By the compound angle, tan of A plus B can be written as tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B is equal tan of 90 minus C cot C. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B is equal, right side cot can be written as 1 by tan C. Now we can write, we get cross multiplying tan A plus tan B of tan C is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. So tan A into tan C tan A plus tan B tan C is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. Right side tan terms can move from left. So tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A is equal to 1. If A plus B plus C is equal pi by 2, then we can show that tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A is equal 1. So second one is also completed. Everyone note that one? Okay, completed. What is the third one? Sigma cos of b plus c is by cos b cos c is equal to. Okay. Solution for the third one. We can take LHS sigma of cos of b plus c by cos b into cos c. That equal sigma cos of b plus c can be written as by using compound angle cos b cos c minus sin b sin c by cos b into cos c. Now dividing the denominator for the numerator terms, we get sigma cos b cos c by cos b cos c minus sin b by cos b into sin c by cos c. Both are get cancelled. That equals sigma 1 minus sin b by cos b tan b sin b by cos c sin c by cos c tan c. Now expanding sigma, we get one minus tan b tan c plus 1 minus tan c tan a plus 1 minus tan a into tan b. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 minus of tan a tan b, okay, tan b tan c plus tan c tan a plus tan a tan b. By the second proof, tan a tan b plus tan b tan c plus tan c tan a is equal to 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. That is RHS. Okay, understand? Everyone know that one? Okay, completed. Okay, next one, next concept. extreme values of trigonometric functions. Extreme values of trigonometric functions. What is the meaning of extreme values? Extreme in maximum and minimum values are called extreme values. Okay. If A comma B comma C belongs to capital R such that A square plus B square is not equal to 0, then the maximum and minimum values of A sin x plus B cos x plus C or C plus under root of A square plus B square and C minus under root of A square plus B square. These two values are called maximum and minimum values of the function. That function is in the form of A sin x plus B cos x plus C. Okay, 2 marks question number దీని మీద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద వచ్చేసి 2 marks question వస్తుంది. ఎవరైనా నోట్ చేద్దాం. Okay, students, completed. Okay, write down the problem. Find the maximum and minimum values of 3 sin x minus 4 cos x. Find the maximum and minimum values of 3 sin x minus 4 cos x. Okay. Everyone listen here. Here, what is the given function? Given function is 3 sin x minus 4 cos x. So first of all, Consider this is equation number 1. Equation 1 comparing with a sin x plus b cos x plus c, where what is the value of a? Where a is equal to 3, b is equal to -4, c is equal to 0. First, we can find the maximum and minimum value. What is the given condition? A square plus b square is always not equal to 0. So first of all, we can find the value of a square plus b square. That equal, what is the value of a? 3 square plus b -4 whole square. 3 square 9 plus 16, that equal 25, is not equal to 0. So now maximum value. What is the maximum value of the trigonometric function? Maximum value is c plus under root of a square plus b square. What is the value of c? 0 plus root 25. That equal 0 plus 5. That equal to 5. So maximum value is 5. Now minimum value. Minimum value. What is the formula of minimum value? C minus under root of a square plus b square. That equal C 0 minus root a square plus b square value is 25. That equal 0 minus 5. That equal -5. So what is the maximum and minimum values of the given function? 5 and -5 are the maximum and minimum value of the function 3 sin x minus 4 cos x. Okay students, understand? Everyone note that one? Okay, completed. Try to the next one. Find the maximum and minimum values of first one 13 cos x plus 3 root 3 sin x minus 4. 13 cos x plus 3 root 3 sin x minus 4. Okay, everyone listening? Given function is 13 cos x plus 3 root 3 sin x minus 4, where what is the value of a? So the given function comparing with a sin x plus b cos x plus c. So sin x coefficient is always a, cos x coefficient b, constant value c. So in the given function, what is the coefficient of sin x? 3 root 3. That is a. B, coefficient of cos x. What is the coefficient of cos x in the given function? 13. C, constant value minus 4. But first we can find a square plus b square. A, 3 root 3 whole square plus b, 13 square. 3 root 3 whole square, 3 square, 9 into 3, 27 plus 13, 169. So 27 plus 169, 196. So now maximum value. C plus under root of a square plus b square. What is the value of c? Minus 4 plus root 196. So minus 4 plus 14. Minus 4 plus 14, 10. So minimum value is c minus under root of a square plus b square. C minus 4 minus root 196. So minus 4 minus 14 minus 18. So minimum maximum value is 10. Minimum value is minus 18. Okay, students, understand? Okay, same model, इवे model लो homework problems. Second problem is three cos x plus 4 sin x. Third one, 7 cos x minus 24 sin x plus 5. Okay, these two problems are homework problems. Everyone note that one. Thank you. The remaining problem, compound angles are completed. In the next class, we will discuss about the multiple and submultiple angles. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.